Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Surgeon on English Medium School, Natage at Una. I am taking SS subject. Today I am taking 6th standard SS. Chapter number 4, the beginning of the shuttle life. Okay. Uh, we will be learn in the lesson number 4, the beginning of the human life. Human life किस तरह से स्टार्ट हुई थी. अब ये लेसन हमें क्या सीखना है कि शटल लाइफ कैसे स्टार्ट हुई थी, कैसे साथ में रहना स्टार्ट किया गया, कैसे साथ में फैमिली बनी, किस तरह से वो उन लोगों ने अपना कबीला बनाया, किस तरह से अपनी नाती बनाई, किस तरह से द स्टेप बाय स्टेप वो चलता गया. ओके, हमने पहले 20 लाख ईयर अगो वाला पढ़ा रीड किया था. अब ये 12,000 ईयर्स अगो की स्टोरी है, यानी 12,000 साल पहले किस तरह से द शटल लाइफ विल बी स्टार्टेड. ओके, शटल लाइफ मीन्स साथ में रहना कैसे स्टार्ट किया, घर बनाना, रहना, फैमिली में रहना, फिर थोड़ा बहुत होने के बाद में कबीला बनना कि ये हमारा ग्रुप है, ये हमारा ग्रुप है, यानी किस तरह से नाती जाति वन बाय वन स्टार्ट हुई, किस तरह से रहना सहना स्टार्ट हुआ, किस तरह से दे विल बी स्टार्टेड देयर लाइफ starting again with the group system. Okay, that is a Gomati and his family. Let see in the first lesson number 4, you have a see one picture. From there the peoples are standing alone. In lesson number 4 you see, can I really show you lesson number 4? In lesson number 4 you will be see this, the first picture, the man is standing alone. That means life will start. Okay, life will start. It's from lesson number 4. Now the lesson number 6 you will be see the there was a standing by the group. Okay, there was a standing of group behind of this picture, they were sitting in the group. That means they are starting the living life with their family. Okay, so that is a Gomati and his family. One a beautiful morning around 1200 years ago, young Gomati was preparing to go for hunting with his tribe means there with their group. Okay, tribe means family, group जो होता है ना, means कबीला. Okay, tribe. That means now he was not going alone for the hunting, they will be going by the with the group. Okay, he was a very enthusiastic and had prepared a weapon by the trying a sharp stone to be a stick. He was touch the sharp stone with his stick. Okay, that means before going to the hunting he was preparing his self. He good companion, Golu. The dog was also going with him, and so he felt safe and secure. That means from previous 1200 years ago, the men have a knowledge the animals are protect ourselves. So he have a one friend. Their name is a Gomutu. That is a dog. The name of the dog Golu. Okay. तो ही वॉज इज अ कंपेनियन मीन्स उसके साथ में एक ऐसा उसका फ्रेंड जो उसको प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, उससे सेव करेगा, उससे सिक्योर करेगा विद द फ्रॉम द अदर वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. दैट मीन्स 1200 years ago द पीपल हैव अ नॉलेज अबाउट द एनिमल्स. मीन्स कौन से एनिमल्स पालतू हैं, पैड एनिमल्स, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एंड डोमेस्टिक एनिमल, दे कैन द नॉलेज अबाउट दिस difference between. Okay, so he was a one pet dog, his name is a Golu because he was a secure his life, Gomatu life. Okay, Gomatu's tribe had to wander every day for the hunting. He did not have a permanent home. Their residence change with the change in the season. When the summer season, they will be a change their place. Winter season, they will be change the place. That means according to season, they will be change their place. Means some the soil are good, so the agriculture work is doing, so they will be stay from here, and after later on they will be stay of the other place. So they stay in the caves, cook the meat of the animals on the fire, and eat at together. Okay, they will be cooking the food. Means 1200 years ago, the people was cook the food and have a consuming. Okay, they protect themselves from the wild animal with the help of fire. In the fourth lesson we was learned approximately 12 lakh years ago. Now this is a 12,000 years ago story. Okay, they will be a protect their self by the fire in the uh, fire for the protect of the wild animals, or they will be a protect for cold also. Apart from the meat of animal, they also eat fruits and roots of the plants. They wandered mainly in search of the food. They will be a eat of the meat of the animal also, but they eat the fruits also, grains also, plants also, roots also. Means roots means carrot, radish, onion, the potato, ginger, garlic. They will be a started using also these things also. That means they were also making the food of tasty. Otherwise they will be eat the raw also, for fruits and vegetables and roots and plants also. Okay, but they are searching the fruits, they are not staying in the permanent place. They are also searching the food here and there. Maybe possible now also the some tribals there. uh, um, Approximately you will see a one the kafila will be a going, the few peoples are with the going. So in the kabila they will be going one place to another for the living. Some places are there. So that type of the peoples approximately 1200 years ago. Okay, when they went to the hunts, they heard the sound of an animal from one two of the bushes. They throw a big stone at the bush, which survived wandered the animals. Okay, the best tried to the run away, but the entire group attacked the kill and kill it. Luckily, it was a big animal, and the entire group would have the feast. Okay, uh, they will be going in somewhere or in the jungle, or otherwise he will be seeing the bush. Okay, some bush are shaking, so approximately possibility some animals are there. So they will be making the one group round for this bush, and afterwards there will be a throw of stones. So which animals are behind of the bush, they will be run away. If that is a huge animal, so that means is their feast दावत हो गई. Feast means दावत हो गई. अगर बड़ा एनिमल मिल गया तो दे विल बी अ सिक्योर कि आज पूरा दिन कहीं पे भी दूसरी हंटिंग नहीं करनी है, बिकॉज द ह्यूज एनिमल विल बी इन आवर हैंड. So they will be attacked with in the group. They are not a single people have to be hunting. They will be a hunting in the group. Okay, that is story of Gomatu time. Now the Juma and her family. Juma की फैमिली में कुछ चेंजेस. ओके, ये 10,000, हमने 12,000 ईयर्स अगो की ये स्टोरी रीड की. ये वाली जो स्टोरी हमने रीड की है गोमतू की, दैट इज़ अ 12,000 ईयर्स अगो, 12,000 साल पहले. अब 10,000 साल पहले यानी और 200 साल जाने 2,000 साल जाने के बाद में क्या चेंजेस हुआ. Juma and her family. Okay, thousand of the year later, one morning, in a small village, Juma was sitting outside her hut. Now he was standing, sitting on the hut. 12,000 years ago, the peoples are living in the caves. Okay, means a natural man, the man made, not a man made. That is a natural. Caves means a natural. वो पत्थर के बीच में से जाना है caves. Okay, नाउ दे आर लिव सिटिंग बिहाइंड ऑफ हिज हाउस. हाउस के बाहर बैठी है, मीन्स हंट है. हंट मीन्स झोपड़ा. सी, caves and hunts, they will be making the type of these huts. Okay, and previous picture they will be learn into the live into the caves. Difference between of this after 1,000 years ago, this story, and that is a 12,000 years ago story. Okay, it was a pleasant morning. Pleasant morning means a s- beautiful morning. Okay, it is the entire village was active. The women were making milking cow and got in the courtyard. Some men were the shopping there. The agriculture tool like the skill sickles are their wood soon need them to cut the crops in the field. Okay, now the life is changed. They will be sitting of the behind of the out of the huts, and the few women are milking the milk. Okay, from the cow and the goats in their courtyard, means गाय और बकरी को रखने की भी प्लेस बन गई है. ओके बेटा. And men's are sharpening agriculture tools. They are sharpening agriculture tools. That means they want to cutting crops. Okay, now changes are come. That means the farmers are there. They will be want to cutting the crops. That means they are not sharpening for the wood or stone for the hunting animals. They are cutting the crops. That's why they are sharpening the agriculture tools. Okay. Some were the making clay pots and the making them in the sun. Some are making the pots. That means they are start to store the food also. So they, if they are making the big pots, so they store the grains, pulses. Okay. So some people are starting the making the pots. Now life is changed. In the Gomatu life is different, and the Juma's life is a different. Okay. Juma's brother Diku was a busy driving away the birds which came to the eat the reap crops. Some people were taking the god to grazing. Okay. एक गांव का जो सिस्टम होता है ना वो दिख रहा है इसमें. देखो, सम पीपल्स आर ग्रेजिंग द एनिमल्स, यानी वो कुछ शेफर्ड्स अपने अपने गाय को, बकरी को, सबको साथ में ले जा रहे हैं. सो द एनिमल्स आर ग्राजिंग. ग्राजिंग मीन्स वो अपना घास फूस कहीं से भी खाना स्टार्ट कर देती है, गॉड्स एंड द अदर एनिमल्स. एंड द पीपल्स आर, हर ब्रदर वॉज Diku, her brother was busy the drawing her the birds. यानी बर्ड्स आके क्रॉप्स खा रही है, जो रिप क्रॉप्स है उसे बर्ड्स आके खा रही है. तो उसका जो भाई है, ही वॉज अ ड्राइविंग ऐसे, ही वॉज अ ड्राइविंग द बर्ड्स. दैट मीन्स द लाइफ आर टू मच डिफरेंस फ्रॉम देयर. दे आर बिजी इन टू द विलेज. हम जब विलेज में जाते हैं ना, ऑल पीपल्स आर बिजी फॉर देयर वर्क. सेम टाइप ऑफ दिस इन द जुमास फैमिली. Juma's hut was the hub of all activities of the tribal. तो उसकी जितने भी कबीले के लोग हैं, they are all busy for doing some work. Because her father was a leader of the village, a lady called for the Juma and took her along to watch the cattle. जुम्मा का जो फादर है, ही वॉज अ लीडर. ओके. एंड सम वुमेन्स आर कॉलिंग टू जुमा के बाई कम हियर एंड यू विल बी अ वॉश योर कैटल्स. मीन्स रिवर के पास कैटल्स को नहलाना, पानी डालना, बफेलोज है, काउज है. द वुमेन्स आर कॉलिंग टू द जुमा. दैट मीन्स अ फुल लाइफ आर लाइक अ फार्मर्स लाइफ. ओके. जुमा enjoys swimming in the river while the other took care of the cattles. Others are the took care of the cattle, but Juma is enjoying for the swimming. Some women preparing big clay pots to store grains, while others were busy wearing the basket. Thus, the entire tribe was busy preparing for the new crops. Okay. कुछ पीपल्स न्यू क्रॉप्स कटिंग होने के बाद में उसे स्टोर करने के लिए पॉट्स बना रही है. पॉट्स बनाने के बाद में उसे सनराइज के नीचे उसे ड्राई कर रही है. एंड सम्स आर मेकिंग द बास्केट फॉर द पुटिंग द क्रॉप्स. क्रॉप्स आएगा तो बास्केट में जमा करने के लिए कुछ बास्केट्स बना रही है. दैट मीन्स द फुल village was a busy like a farmer living life. Okay. Slowly darkness descending on the village. The morning time, the whole day they will be busy in the darkness. That means the sunrise sunset timing will be near there. The cattle return after grazing and they settle down for the night in their shed. The after the whole day the animals are grazing, and then the evening time they are return and they will be in their sheds. Okay. The children also return home and the settle down to this, listen to this story from their grandparents. Juma ki और गोमटू की lifestyle is too much different. Now the children are sleeping under the children are sleeping with the grandparents and asking कि हमें झूनी पुरानी स्टोरी सुनाओ, पहले क्या होता था, आपके दादा लोग क्या करते थे. हम भी अभी करते हैं ना हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के पास कि आपके बचपन में क्या होता था, आप 1 रुपीज़ में क्या करते थे, 2 रुपीज़ में क्या करते थे. तो द ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैव टू बी टेलिंग फॉर द स्टोरीज कि हमारे ज़माने में भिड़े भाई. ओके. सो सम टाइम ऑफ देयर ऑल्सो आस्किंग फॉर द ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स कि भाई नैरेटेड स्टोरीज सुनाओ. तो कि पहले कैसे होता था, राजा रानी की स्टोरीज, कोई भी नैरेटेड, यानी पुराने ज़माने में ऐसे होता था. दे विल बी अ in the Juma family, the grandparents have to taking their grandchilds for the saying to the stories. Okay, bleating of the gods and the pounding of grains by the women flock. Women's day they will be given the some grains. They will be a putting of the for cooking, and otherwise they will be given the flock of the their cattle. The women are busy and the children are busy for this listening this story for the grandparents. Okay, the change which came about the lifestyle of the people within 700 years in the evidence from those two stories. These two stories have a difference of the 700 years, but the total stories are different. Gomatu and Juma's family are total different stories. In the Gomatu, they will be living in the caves, they are hunting, they are living in the, they are cooking, they are living in the fires, they burn the fire behind of the caves. But the Juma's family is living in the huts, they are making shed also, they are living life with the cattle, and they are grazing the animals, they are enjoying the swimming, they are their cattle also washing in the rivers. That means the total life are different in the between of the 7,000 years ago. Okay, items, time of Gomatu, time of Juma, and present times. क्या क्या चीज़ें there will be a difference of changing. Okay, food. Now Gomatu times the food, roasted meat, fruits, and tuber roots and etc. The plants of the plants, extra plants are the in the Gomatu time they will be eating. Now the Juma timing, they cook the food and milk, and they are consuming the food, fruits and the cooking food. Okay, now present time, we are different delicious food we have to be a consuming. Now the present time, Chinese, Italy, lots of type of the food we will be taken in the present time. Now activity, what the time of the Juma's family, Juma's timing the peoples are doing. Okay, so to Juma's timing, to wandered for hunting and search of the food. That means they were the searching food here and there, and they will be a that activity they will be do. Gomatu's family. Okay, now Juma's family, to cook food, raw animals, farming to the wheats, barley, paddy, etc. Vegetables, preparing the clay pots. They are making the clay pots for the storing the food. They are making the baskets. They are store the food, grains. They are bathing the cattle. They are grazing the animals also. In the Juma families, they are doing lots of work. Okay, in the present time, farmer they are rearing the cattle to survive the different fields, business to run away, small and the big industries. That means in the present time the activities are more than the previous Juma's family and the Gomatu families. Now the tools, from that time how can the tools will be a using of the Gomatu time and the Juma's time. So the Gomatu time they are sharp the stones and the wood sticks. Okay, स्टिक के ऊपर जो वुड होता है उसको शार्प करने का काम करते थे वो लोग. जुमास फैमिली के टाइम पे दे आर यूजिंग द स्टोन्स tools, importance of the farming, they are making the farming timing, they will be prepare the tools. And the present times, tool of the iron and the wood for the farming, and the machinery tools also. Now the we have to be a lots of improvement. That means in the Gormatu time they will be using this wood and stones and etc. Juma's timing they will be use the skulls. Okay, cutting crops. Now present times the skulls will be are not using direct. The cutter will be going in the field and cutting the crops easily within in the 10 10 hectare, and lots of the field are there, the crops are cutting easily. That means that today the present time the tools are look like a machinery time. Okay, now the domestic animals, in the Gormatu time we heard only one animals, dog. Dog is a first pet animal we heard only in Gormatu time. The Gormatu have a one golu. Okay, that is his pet dog. Now the Juma's time we heard the dog, shapes, goats, cows, that is their cattles are. That means they have a this type of the pet animals. Now the cow, buffalo, in the present time, cow, buffalo, ox, sheep, goat, horse, donkey, camels, we all using the lots of animals now present time also. Okay, do you find the similarity in the, now discuss, we want to be a discuss, if we have to sitting in the class, lots of answers are coming in my class, I know well. So we have to be a discuss, what is the similarity between the lifestyle is Gomatu and Juma. If we are in sitting in the class, we are lots of enjoy of this lesson, I know my students, they are doing the lots of a different question to me. Okay, so that's why we will missing our class, because we are lots of enjoy with our students for this type of lessons, because I know my students have a lots of question in their minds, but later on we will be we will be discuss of these questions. Okay beta, so do you find the similarity in the lifestyle of the Gomatu and Juma? Yes. How does there will be a lifestyle of Juma differ from than the Gomatu? Lots of other difference are there. They are not a similar life. Gomatu and Juma both are the lifestyle is a different. But when we have to thinking about Juma and our lifestyle, is too much different. So in every thousand of the years there will be a change the lives. Okay, how was this lifestyle of the Juma difference from the Gomatu? Gomatu की और Juma lives में क्या क्या difference है? So lots of difference, because we hear the Juma's Gomatu lives and Juma's life both are. Gomatu go, अब Gomatu क्या क्या काम कर रहा था? Gomatu goes to the hunting every day. Okay, there was a hunting animals, nothing as another work. He was just hunting the animals and they eat the meat by the cook. Okay, that means they are start the using the fire. His main activity to go to the hunting in the search of the food. From this he has to live in the wander life. He living place goes to the changing according to the season. Who Gomatu according to the season they will be a change their place. They live in the cave and the most of the time roasted animals, roasted meats, fruits and tuber roots compare his foods. Their foods are there. Now the lifestyle of Juma. Juma live in this steady life along with his Kabila. There was a living in the Kabila, that means in the fifth family. In the small Kabza means a small place, they will be living with the of Kabila, means huge families are there. In the Kabila, not only one family. In the Kabila, 10, 12, 15, 25 families are living together. Okay, she has not to go for hunting in a searching of food. That means he was not searching food here and there, he was staying in the one place. They will make a hunt and they are living life with their Kabila. People of her Kabza do do farming and the cattle rearing. Therefore, she gets prepared food and milk of cow or a goats. They will be a prepare of the उन लोगों ने अपनी डेली लाइफ में मिल्क भी यूज़ करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था. जुमा हेल्प द फैमिली बाय टेकिंग काउ टू द रिवर्स फॉर द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर ड्यूरिंग द इंश्योर्स टाइम्स. Whenever the Juma is free, the girl is free, he was going into the with cattle into the river for the on that time she was enjoying the sparkling the waters, swimming. They are doing lots of, and the people also sitting into the village, they were washing the clothes and they were bathing their cattle. That means their life are too much difference. Okay, Gomatu and they are the difference, total different life are there. So you must have to be observed that there would be a difference between the lifestyle of that the Juma and the Gomatu. You must have to also notice that the people Juma's village were the involved in the agriculture and the cattle rallying. Now the remaining chapter we will be taking into the next lecture, because there lots of informations are remaining on the half another half lesson. So beta, stay at your home and be enjoy and do study, and goodbye beta.